question. I just wanna know, how the fuck are y'all feeling tonight? Well, I go by the name of Drizzy motherfucking Drake. I would like to formally welcome you to the greatest club in the world, Club Paradise. Now, if you know anything about me, you know I rep that Young Money, Cash Money. You know I rep that OVOXO. And if you fuck with me, and who I fuck with, and y'all ready to get this party started and make some noise.